This egg recipe has lots of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It also has lots of the B vitamins, fiber, and has a nice cheesy flavor without using cheese. Now let's start by cutting up some scallions. Scallion has vitamin A, C, K, along with potassium and calcium. It also has fiber and the antioxidant quercetin. Now let's also cut up some chives. This is optional. You can skip the chives if you don't have any on hand. We're going to use about 4 organic eggs. Crack the eggs and add it to the bowl. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, vitamins, including the B vitamins and vitamin D. They also have important minerals like selenium and iron. Eggs have choline for brain health, omega-3 for heart health, and lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health. Mix evenly. Next, add a pinch of iodized sea salt. Next, add some Celtic salt. It has 84 minerals. This is optional. Add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Add some black pepper. Mix to combine everything evenly. Add about 2 tablespoons of organic extra virgin coconut oil to the pot. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of organic extra virgin olive oil. Add the veggies to the pot. We're going to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the eggs to the pot. Make sure the veggies are evenly distributed all over the eggs. Stir to combine everything evenly. When the eggs is almost finished cooking, we're gonna add some nutritional yeast for a delicious cheesy flavor. Nutritional yeast is a good source of the B vitamins as well as protein, fiber, and minerals like zinc and selenium. Stir to combine everything evenly. This is so quick and easy to make, and it's loaded with so many beneficial nutrients. So yummy and bursting with flavor. I wish you could taste this, it is so good. We're gonna go ahead and put some on a serving plate. I love having this for breakfast along with my sauteed veggies. I usually make enough, so I have leftovers for 2 to 3 days. So there you have it, a delicious and simple egg recipe. Please comment below some of the egg recipes that you love. Enjoy! To help you improve your health, please pick up a copy of my book and my natural and holistic health course on sale at shirleenwees.com. It would mean the world to me, supports this channel, and thank you in advance. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.